Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Next is event planning. Whether it's a corporate event or a wedding, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. If you're organized and love planning, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Third is photo editing. From social media influencers to small businesses, everyone needs polished photos. If you have an eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Many clients pay $10 to $100 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out to photographers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Fourth is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online but don't know how to set up their stores. If you're tech savvy and enjoy problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, event planning, photo editing, e-commerce store setup, or copywriting, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.